guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can register into the United Overseas Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.uobgroup.com and hit enter. After the home page of the United Overseas Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the UOB Personal Internet Banking option. Once you click on the Internet Banking option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, on the bottom of your screen, you'll see a Register Now button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the register button, a form will appear on your screen. On this form, you will have to fill in your credentials. You will have to fill in all these credentials. You will have to tick the I agree option and then click on next. Once you click on next, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you will be further guided to another step which will help you to register into the United Overseas Bank. I hope this video helped you to register into the United Overseas Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.